Welcome to Discover Talent Presents, folks. If you have ever wanted to build a software using AI without spending months in learning coding, then this video is for you. Today, we are going to build real-world training management system called as learning management system over here using IBM Bob AI. Whether you are a software developer, a student, a working professional, a complete beginner, someone who is starting adopting AI for software development, this video will show you how your AI partner can help you to develop software development process smarter and faster. Throughout this video, you will learn how to install IBM Bob, what are the AI prompts we can use it to generate a high quality code, and how to build real world projects step by step. It's all three done. The last part, to increase your portfolio, we used to add our projects on GitHub, right? So we have simplified that process. We either go with a manual process for desktop files and upload on the GitHub. Here, using the IBM Bob AI partner, which help you to automatically upload your files in the GitHub and make your website live. Now here you can see this live website available. This kind of a URL, we're gonna publish it live, okay? Which you can add in your portfolio. With this more simplified versions, we have made this video chapter by chapter. So if in case you want to skip any one particular video, you can definitely skip that using the timestamp in YouTube and simply go through the next section or maybe the chapter. Recommended tip, I would encourage you to watch this video until the end. Don't skip video in between because one step linked with another one. To enjoy this content, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to the needy one who want to develop their skills in the software development field using AI. Without further ado, let's jump into the screen and start building with IBM Bob AI.